Hello guys, welcome again in the data structure series. Now we are on the concept of a stack. So first of all we have to understand the what is a stack. So for that I just have a new sheet. So in a stack what we do, we have this kind of stack. We say we have this kind of data structure in which whenever I insert a value, for example I insert value 34, so that would be stored like this. So insert a value in stack. So in a stack, insert a value is equal to push operation. Okay, so whenever I insert any value in a stack is push. So once again if I insert one more value, I say 45, so that means it's push. And this stack always work on LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. That means first out, last in first out, spelling mistake. First out, okay, last in and first out. So if I will remove a value from the stack, if I remove this 45 from this stack, so that is called the pop operation. So removing value from stack equal to pop operation. Insertion is called push. Removing a value from a stack is pop. And remember, value always remove from the top. Always remove value from top. Why from top? Because this is LIFO. This is LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. So last in, what in? If I insert some value here 50, that means it insert after 34. It's a last insert, so it will remove first. If I insert one more value, I say 67, so this value is inserted after the 50, so it will remove first. So if I want to remove any value from this stack, so I have to remove the 67. I can't remove 50. If I remove 50, that is not a stack. I have to remove from the top because it depend on LIFO, because it follow the LIFO rule, last in first out. That's why it's called a stack. So push operation, if I insert anything, it's called push. But if I remove anything, say if I I remove this 67 from here, so removing any value is called pop operation. Remove. And if I display all the value from this, it's called peak. We can say peak. Peak means we can display the top value, or we can display all value, whatever we want. But peak means we want to display the top value. Top is 50. So if we display the 50 without removing it, that is called peak. But if I remove the top, it's called pop. If I insert a value here, it's called push. Like this, if I insert here one more value 58, that is called push. If I remove, it's called pop. If I display, it's called peak. The last value if I display is called peak. So that is the meaning of stack. So that we are going to implement in Go language in this video. So just we have the here program, we say package main, and I say function main, like this. And here in this main function, I start, first of all I create the structure. I say stack struct type, and this stack having a value int type, and we have the next node address of stack type, like this. And again we have a head node here, and this head node we create the object of first node, like this. So we have a head node like this. Okay, now I just push, pop and pick. I create the method. So I say method func, and I say I passing a node of stack type, stack, and I say push function. Okay, and here I pass the value, and that value push I say of num int type, like this. And here I create a new node. So I say temp where temp, and I say address of stack, like this. Save it. And because we always add at the top, so we always have a nil. So we say temp dot value should be num, and temp dot next should be null, and should be the address of node, the previous node which we have, like this, the first node address, because the first this node is always the top. So before the previous first would be the second node, like this. And what I say, and I return the value of temp, and here I pass stack. Okay, so I create a new node, I insert the value, I insert the node because it's a previous value, I insert here, and I return the address of temp. Temp will be the first node. So that is called push operation. And one more function I just create a method, and I say pop operation stack, and I say that operation is called pop, and here I don't pass any value, but I have a return type of a stack, like this, and I have to remove from the top. So I say node equal to node dot next, like this, and I return the node. So I remove the previous first node, and second node address I put in first node, and I return the node. That would be the pop operation. And here I can check also if this node is equal to nil, it's the last node, for example, then I say fmt dot println that stack is empty, like this. Save it. And if I say peak operation func node stack, and I say peak, return return value would be the int type, or I can display without insert, and I say here fmt dot println that would be node dot value. So the top value I will display like this. Now one more function I create, that would be to display all the value from the stack. I say display like this, and here I create my new node. I say where p equal to address of stack like this, and p is equal to node like this, and I say for p not equal to nil, then we say fmt dot printf, and I say %d, and I say p dot value like this, and then fmt dot println, and I say this one. Okay, I'm trying to display in a stack format. So p equal to p dot next like this. So we will display all the information that is available in the stack. I save it. Now I just design here the layout, and here I say for true here, and I say fmt dot println, I say enter your choice like this. Then we have the choice println, first one, that push value in a stack, fmt dot println. The second choice is pop value from a stack, fmt dot println. Third choice is peak value from a stack, fmt dot println. Fourth value is display stack, and the last one would be the fifth choice or other choice, that would be exit. I say here I take choice, so I create a variable where choice of a string type, and here I say fmt dot scan l, and address of this is choice like this, and I say switch case. If we have a choice, then case 1, then case 2, like this. In case 1, what I say head dot push like this, pass some value, and second case I say head dot pop like this, and because returning a value of first node, so I say head equal to head and head equal to pop like this. Then we have a case 3, that is peak, so I say head dot peak. Then we have a case number 4, that we have display, so head dot display. Then we have default case. I say os.exit like this, save it. And here for push the operation, I want to insert value again. So I say fmt println. Here I say enter value to push. Okay, then I create here the variable of string type. I say data string and fmt.scanl address of data. Then I have to convert this data. So str conversion dot a2i, that would be data, and here I pass the num. So I save this. So I'm inserting a value here by push, then pop. I try to start this one. So I try to start this one dir, that is the stack.go, and I say go run stack.go. Try to run it. If it do not have a address, do not have any error, I say 1. Let's say push your value. I say 34. So I think push, and I say display 4. You see 0 is coming, but 4 is not coming. So display having a problem. So I say peak is working, 34 is working. So we have a problem in display. So first of all, just I exit this one and I start to solve the problem. So peak is working, but for stack display, this is the display. So I have to pass here the next value of p, and it is until we do not have a null. Okay, and here I have this one. So I say /n, and here also /n. Here we already have /n, so do not need to add. So p equal to p node we are passing for display, for peak, for inserting a value, for pop we have node equal to node dot next. If it is null, empty, otherwise node return. Then we have the push operation, no problem at all. Try to execute once again. So I say 1, and here I push 45. Then I say 1 again, 1 value again I want to push. Then I say display is 4. So no value is coming. We do not have any value, is empty. And if I say third peak, so it displaying the peak value, the last value was 23. If I say second pop and I say display 4, so display is saying 0, again display is showing 0. So problem is coming somewhere else in the insert. So here is a push and I insert a value here, create a new stack temp, and I put the value, node I pass here, at the end return the temp. So temp would be the first value. no problem. Pop, we do not have any problem, but in display what the problem is coming. Starting from the node.next, p not equal to nil, we are just executing, no problem at all. So what I do, I create here p of stack type and I pass here node. Node.next, no need to pass this. Here I will run this, and in pop we do not have any problem, but in this I have to say node equal to temp, and here I am returning the node like this. So once again I try to run it. So run it, I say 1 and I push the value 56, then once again 1, I 34 and I say display, so only 0 is coming. And but if I say 3, so 34 is coming. So I think 34 was my last value, so first value is coming, that's why it is okay. But problem is peak is working. Problem is where we have head.display, head.peak, and we have head.pop, head.push. Why it is showing like this? Okay, value is coming. We have 56, we have 0, so value is coming, but we are not showing this. So what we have to do in display, I have to make some change. So what I have to do, starting from a node, and I have to reach to the next, because I don't want to display 0. It is working. Once again I try to execute this one. You see that I just displayed big screen. I say 1, I say push 23, once again I push 56, so two values are there in stack. If I say 4, you see 56 and 23 is there, we have this. Once again if I want to add more value here, then I say 78 and I say display, so we have 78 at the top, 56 and 23. One more value if I want to insert, I say 89 and I say display, so 89 at the top. If I say pop, so I say second operation, pop, so that means top element has been removed, and I say 4 and you see that top element 89 has been removed, because the first element, last element was 89, remove the 78 is there. Again if I say second, means 78 will remove and display the 56 at the top. But if I say peak, means third operation, that means 56 is there, but if I display, so it would not remove, it's same, 56 is there. But if I say push and I say 30, so 30 would be at the top. You see stack, it is on the top in a stack. And if I say 2, means removing pop, then 30 will remove and only 56 will be at the top. If again I say pop and I display, that means 23 would be at the top. So this way we have performed the stack operation in Go language. All operations are working properly and working perfectly. All operations are working perfectly. We have learned the stack operation in Go language in this video. In some other videos we will see how we can implement queue and how we can implement other linked list operations also. If you really like this video, kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in next video also.